going on. Let me give you the breakdown. All right, so this is going to be, because the channel got hacked, I cannot change the name, but this is going to be Hustlers Kung Fu Savage Finance, right? And then this is going to be, well, this one is already Hustlers Kung Fu Black and White. Let's see. All right, so that's the second channel. Let's see, it's going to be Hustlers Kung Fu Black and White. And then we're going to go to the third channel, which we got to go down here. This is going to be Hustlers Kung Fu. Let's see. This is going to be the business channel. Hustlers Kung Fu Wealth Development. This is going to be where I talk about business. I talk about things. I need to revive the Kill Switch Chronicles over here. Then this is the Whatnot Chronicles, starting an online business from scratch. That's going on right now. And then other stuff, all business related stuff, holding companies, all that stuff, that's going to be on this channel. And let's see, go back, switch accounts. And let's see, we're going to, and this is one that I'm going to start with my boo. There's nothing really on that, but we're going to do that channel. So those are the channel lineups and stuff. And, while I'm here, I might as well do this. Switch account. Let's go back to this one and view channel. All right, so I might as well do this because this is something that's coming. So you go down to settle, because people are assholes and someone will steal a name. So we're gonna call this Hustler Kung Fu Storage Auctions. This is something that's coming up in a few months. So just go ahead and create the channel. All right, so view channel and customize channel. I need to upload a picture. I don't know what I'm gonna upload. Actually, I can use that one. So, and then just publish. It's not going to be anything on here, but I just went ahead and did that because you got people who are assholes, right? They will just come. So we got Hustlers Kung Fu Storage Auction, Hustlers Kung Fu Black and White. This channel, I might as well get rid of that channel. I'm not going to do anything on that one. But view channel. Yeah, this is going to be switch. This is going to be the Savage Finance channel once I can change the stuff. So that's going to be the lineup. That's what we're going to be doing. That's how we're going to situate. And I'm going to release this video tomorrow so people can see. There's a lot more that's coming on, a lot more we're about to get into. So that's the channel lineup. It's pretty neat. I wish, switch accounts. So this is a live channel. This one will be live. Hustlers Kung Fu Black, I'm getting subscribers. Passionate Friday. Do not subscribe to Savage Finance. And then Hustlers Kung Fu Wealth Development. So those are the main channels that we'll be getting into. And let's kind of go back up in here. Hustlers Kung Fu Black and White. I'm going to be me. The latest video up there is the Sugar Daddy Chronicles. I'm going to talk about me. To all you sexually repressed fucks that cannot stand a man getting some pussy. Fuck you, fuck your daddy, fuck your mama, because they were some wimps that raised a little bitch like you. All of these people's like, well, they were disgusted because you got some pussy. You know, this is one of the funniest things. You get people out here talking about clout chasing, right? You know, if you talk about someone you clout chasing, what the fuck y'all think y'all doing about talking about me? What the fuck y'all think y'all doing? So I'm gonna talk, you know, sex. I'm gonna talk ideals. I'm gonna talk hustlers, kung fu, black and white. All the videos will be black and white, and I'll just be talking about whatever the fuck I want to talk about. And if you're one of these Anton Daniels wimpy ass little bitches, fuck you. Kiss my big black ass, and don't even bring your silly ass over here. Because let me go ahead and explain something to you. And let me get to the wealth channel. Let me switch. Go down here. You know, I actually talk about this channel here. This is when I was trying to start a YouTube channel and not have certain things. This channel, I did not show my face. And I think I got a bunch of videos over here, right? I didn't show my face on this channel. I just did a lot of talking. I may move some of these videos over. Don't know. Don't really know what's going to happen. Let me see what this one says.
Okay. Here we go, guys. There's the...
Yeah, because I was trying to get away from these dumbass niggas. I've never seen a group of people who don't want to do shit with their lives, and all they do is sit around and count my fucking money. Every time I make a fucking move, well, Glendon must be going broke because he's doing this. Motherfucker, I was off YouTube, not selling courses for a year and a half, and came back and rented a fucking office and hired 4 people. Do the fucking math with your stupid ass. So, I may actually put these videos up. We will see. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I got a bunch of them over here. Let's see. I got.
This video was brought to you by the Wealthy Panda blog, where we teach you step by step how to become rich by starting a business. Go ahead and check it out. There will be a link in the...
Now, this is one of the funniest things. When I was doing this channel, the black folks were like, what's the fuck's going on? Instead of listening to the video, they was trying to figure out who the fuck I was. I'm riding around in a brand new fucking 911 Porsche Turbo S, and niggas are trying to figure out stuff. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these videos. I may put them up as a playlist. Let's see. Because there's quite a few videos over here. How to set up a holding company. Or I may just remake these videos.
In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your first holding company, operating company.
Yeah, I may just remake these videos. Because this whole shit with the business credit, I didn't use business credit to build my businesses. I didn't use a loan. I used cash that I made from starting the fucking business. So we're going to kind of get away from the business credit thing because, once again, this whole notion of getting business credit, and you're not having a solid game plan to pay the business credit back, that's problematic, man. That's a huge problem. So we're going to be talking about starting businesses, working hard, and doing the things you need to do. I'm not going to be posting any more videos on this channel, and essentially, I believe they're all hidden. Yeah, you can't even see anything over here if you were to subscribe. But that's the channel lineup. That's what we're going to get ready to do. So it's going to be a lot of fun. And man, if I had kept all the channels that I had literally had. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to have 5 channels. So the format now, this one right here, once again, let's go back to the business channel. All right, I'm gonna watch that video. I want to know why we as men are aging like milk. That's funny. Let's see. So, yeah, this right here, for those who want to start a business, learn about business content, like the Whatnot Chronicles. Like I said, I got to pull up the Kill Switch Chronicles again, and also I got people asking me to post older videos. Let's talk about that. I have like so many videos, and trying to find them, post them, that's just gonna take a crazy amount of time. And y'all ain't paying me to do that shit. This is something that could take hours and hours and hours. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna make new videos and open up older ones. So that's what's getting ready to happen. But for the people who want to start a business, Hustlers Kung Fu Wealth Development, this is the channel. There will be no, well, all right, there will be a little sauce over here. Chris Sane, I'll be doing call outs to certain YouTubers who are putting out, in my opinion, bullshit content. And that'll also be on this channel. So just stay tuned. But that's what's going on. That's what we're doing. And now you know where to go and you know what to subscribe to.